Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you why I don't like going on planes. Well, except for the obvious reason how there is no Wi-Fi. I hate that. Just the little things like how poor of food you get and how small the spaces are when you're trying to lay out and relax. Number one, now this is just really random, but it's walking past the business class people. Now holidays, I flew somewhere and on the way up we travelled business class and I just felt so special. I don't know if it's just me, but just seeing all the second class people walking past when you're just, in number one, it's just a really good feeling. Okay, so number 5A. Oh, this is my seat. Okay, just sit down. What do you want? Oh, sorry, this is my first time in business class. Okay. I've got my ticket. What can I do? Oh, what buttons. Let's see what this one does. What about this one? That was so fun. Okay, let me read a book now. Let me just put on my glasses. Oh, I'm so excited. You excited? Okay. All the people coming. Oh, I feel so sorry for those amateurs. We're in business class. Do you know what I'm gonna do? Loser! What can I say? I'm fabulous. Hey guys, I bet you your seats can't do this. You ready? I hope you guys can relate to that. 2 is the food. Now, that rhymes. So 2 food. I'm not expecting a whole gourmet meal or anything, but I'm hoping for something decent. I'm traveling on their business. I'm expecting to eat something nice, especially in business class. Oh, hello there, darling. How are you? So, seeing you're flying business class, that means you get the fabulous meal, okay? I'll just go get it. Okay, I can't wait. Okay, darling, here's your meal! A rice cake. I got a rice. Hey everyone, I got a rice cake. Look at this. It's unbreakable. There you go. That's right, you run away now. Number 3 is now, I think it's the weirdest one, but the most true one. Just going to the toilet. Now, usually when you're sitting down, you're just like, oh, then you drink a cup of water, then suddenly it hits you like, oh, excuse me. And then you go, but something happens, which I only think it happens to me, but it might happen to you. I hope it happens to you, but just have a look. Okay, I need to go home. Okay, so this is a turbulence. I'm okay. Okay, hands are floating. Okay. Fine, just some turbulence. Oh god, okay. It's time to get healed. I'm fine. I don't know how to get out of here. Oh no. Okay, I think. How did you get in? Okay, so. Okay, fine, just turn turbulence. Okay. Okay, fine, just get out of here. Oh no. Okay. How did you get in? Okay, so. Okay, fine, just get out of here. Oh no. Okay. Okay, fine, just turn turbulence. 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 Okay. dark. Oh, I'm scared of the dark. Are you okay in there? I'm stuck and I'm stuck. Okay, just, you know what to do, right? Just push the handle down. Okay, I'll try. I think I got it. Oh, I knew that. Okay then. It's okay. I'm fine, I made it. Now the last thing isn't that bad, but for me, when I like to do stuff when I'm not doing anything. So like when I'm in school, I'm like this. Yeah, but what happens to me, I bring these things that are useless to take on an aeroplane. Like when you're at home, you're like, oh yeah, this is so fun. When you're on an aeroplane, it's not fun at all. It's just, you just get really bored, and that's a really bad thing for me. Oh, I know, I bought something. But sing along, I know you know it. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the... You want me to stop? Okay. Oh. And then you just start playing with the buttons. Seriously? What do you want from me? That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do a big thumbs up. And if you want me to do some of these things that I don't like, maybe a series or something, I don't know, just leave me in the comments or just do a thumbs up. Click subscribe down below. Remember to follow my social medias and my all the live stream things. Remember, school's back, so I won't be able to upload that much. So please forgive me if I miss maybe a few weeks. I'm just like really busy with school. I hope you guys understand. But remember, just subscribe though, because I will keep doing it, I promise. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!